lovely friend from all over the world. Once again, welcome back. So here on this video, we're going to have a Q&A. So if you really want to ask something about me, you are free to ask in the comment section. I have my ear to hear the voice. I have my ear, sorry, not here. I have my ear to hear a voice. I have my ear, a voice. What a funny वीडियो पे हम लोग Q&A वीडियो बनाने जा रहे हैं, जो आप लोग पूछताछ कर सकते हैं, जो क्वेश्चन भी हो, whether it is fun, whether it is serious, whether it is this and that, blah blah blah. You're most welcome. Video này này của nông ní phải này video bằng rồi. Ako WhatsApp number cái langai noi, nông ní question này rồi là langai noi chính này, nông ní mấy cái cái lúc này answer pe cả, phải không noi? Where's my spec? Oh here. That's being it kan isu. Sorry. I have three tosma wala. Oh, how it is? ये अच्छा लगा क्या? Nah. Where are the other? Which one is the best? Here's come my friend. Chỗ đó cầm bí mày nên bí rồi. Lột từ lột bí xuống rồi. This one is the best. Comment section पे बताइए. Apo rogas pegi lang pero kai lo nang nei ko question na answer peyu le nang ni na choose among these three spec. While answering your question Q&A video, I will be wearing. Oh, sorry. Like. See you again in the next Q&A video. I will be answering to your question. So stay safe हमेशा आराम से रहना, इधर उधर नहीं करना का. दिल्ली वेदर भी गर्म है, असम वेदर भी गर्म है, मणिपुर वेदर भी गर्म है, नागालैंड भी गर्म है.